Flamingo chef, show us what you got with cocktails and dishes that hit the sweet spot.
Hey guys, Bill the Kansas Flamingo chef. Welcome back to my bar, and we're making another Irish inspired cocktail. This one's really easy to drink. If you're not a big whiskey drinker, I think you'll like it. It's very, very light flavored and has kind of a hint of orange to it. There's only 4 ingredients, so we're going to use sweet vermouth. I recommend you get a decent one. I happen to like this Riviera. And then we need some Irish whiskey. It really doesn't matter what you use. I'm using Jameson because I've got a little left. Orange bitters, and last but not least, Grand Marnier. If you don't have any orange bitters, you can get these at most grocery stores. You can also get it at better liquor stores. We need a mixing glass. You need some kind of glass to pour this into, an up glass, a martini glass, a coupe, whatever you want to use. This is just a lightly chilled coupe. A strainer, a bar spoon, and a jigger. All right. So we're going to start with a ½ an ounce of the sweet vermouth. You only need a ½ an ounce of this. And a ½ an ounce of Grand Marnier. For those of you who don't know, Grand Marnier is a orange cognac. Absolutely amazing stuff. 3 shots of bitters, orange bitters. And last but not least, 2 ounces of an Irish whiskey. And my bottle is almost empty. When I get this done, I got to go buy some Irish whiskey. All right. Give this a good stir. Stir it for at least 5 to 10 seconds. The reason you stir this cocktail like this is as the ice breaks down, it's going to get all those flavors to mellow together, and you get a nice, even cocktail. If you don't stir it long enough, all you're going to taste is bitters. And I don't know that there's such a thing as stirring it too long unless you let all the ice melt. That'd be a problem. All right. Now we're just going to strain this off into our coupe. And there it is. It is a extremely light colored orange drink. It has a very orange aroma, and as I said before, very easy to drink. If you're not a big whiskey person, but you want that Irish whiskey experience and a really light flavor, this is the one for you. If you have a cocktail or a food item you'd like me to make, if you have a question, comment, please, please, please comment below. It helps the algorithm. Like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. If you have questions, you can always email me on what I said. Email me, bill@kansasflamingochef.com, or just comment on the video. Have a great day, guys. I'll see you soon. And if it's St. Patrick's Day where you are, luck of the Irish to you.